Hey, Gomez, we're headed to you. If you stay in the correct lane. I see folks coming. We coming towards you guys. Looks like we're going to make a turn over here on Live Oak. Charles Ford up front stage.
They're on 440 westbound at Faulkner Lake Road. They don't know what type of vehicle.
There's Broadway. These are 90.
They're passing PDASP.
Mills, speeds of 85, no traffic. David 4 to David 13, what kind of vehicle is this? The gray sedan, we're coming up to Broadway from Lynch.
Gray sedan is all they know.
Careful, monitoring video. We're going westbound on Broadway. Disregard our red light. Down on Broadway, coming up to the intersection. No traffic. Speeds are 61 and increasing. Is there damn much to call? Continuing westbound on Broadway, coming up to Rose City intersection. Speeds are 90 and climbing. Continue westbound on Washington, no traffic, speeds are still 80. Westbound on Washington at Killer, the speed's 90, no traffic or light traffic. If anybody get somebody on Riverfront with bike, speeds are increasing, 104, light traffic, still westbound on Washington. Second 43 spikes at Riverfront and Olive. What's this manner of driving? Just fast? Is he reckless, like going back and forth in lanes or anything? Just past the car in the oncoming lane. Continuing on Washington, coming up to Riverfront, just light traffic. Yeah, before we've got, looks like stayed at Buckeye and Bravo. No good place, no good place. Taking 43 spikes at Washington Olive, back up, back up, back up. Back up, back up, back up. Spike, return, everybody. 713, we coming up the Riverfront. Westbound on Riverfront at Cypress. Day before going, get stay patched in. They're right here at Riverfront with us.
They're already patched.
Hey guys, get out of the way. Let's stay up there, please, so they can end this. I see them back there. Let them catch up. Still westbound on Riverfront. Speeds are 70 and slowing down. No traffic. Coming up to the roundabout. Speeds are 58. We are northbound on Pike. Speeds are 60, well 70 and increasing. No traffic. Still northbound on Pike, no traffic. Speeds are 100. 213, still northbound on Pike. Speeds are 90. Light traffic. 213, just got a red light, 22nd on Pike. Still northbound. Speeds are 94.
36.
Okay, shift on that supervisor. Okay, come up. And you to hurry up. Stay right behind you, vehicle. Well, I'm a little fast.
37.
Rock True Bay at 263 for Av 97, 1037.
TBI. Right before Fort Roots at Pulaski Tech. Driver, show me your hands! Yeah, I think one of them's laying down in the front seat, not moving.
I see the female trying to wave her hands up. Open the door, step on your hands up.
She says the door won't open. How many people are in the car?
We're gonna have to move up if there's stuff.
Yeah. You see that white shirt just slumped over? He hasn't moved.
Okay.
Since I've been here. That female's in that front passenger seat.
Yeah, move up with
Are
K9.
you en route?
Yeah, he's moving. So, yeah, she's saying she's stuck. Let's try to get up to her. Let's bring K9 with us. Nobody's on that side. Okay, I'll be hands. You guys go ahead and be little cover. Let's get the dog up here. Hey, where's the dog at? All right, Milby. Hey, come over here. We're going to have to move up. She's stuck. And I think
Watch out for these power lines, guys.
keep your hands up. Make sure we're able to get through without getting shot. No. Okay, yeah. I'll stay here and keep eyes on it. Okay, keep moving. Yeah, I'm moving. Hey, okay. Hey, you want to get the dog some of this way? Yeah. Milby. I think he's going to follow you. Hey, Milby, follow Stewie up this way.
Hey, put your hands up, man!
Hands up, hands up, hands up. Hey, Stewie, Milby's coming to you. Keep your hands up. Just keep your hands up. Keep them up. He's trying to like put in driver.
Yeah, he is.
Yeah. Driver, put your hands up.
Put your hands up now.
Take the L. What up, Shoot? What's up, dude? Damn it, Maurice!
Come on, bro.
Hands up. Keep your hands up.
Let me get online with you guys over here.
Go. Maurice, put your hands up.
Alright, we're gonna shift over this way. Got for those lines.
I got visual back here.
Dana's coming. Crawl out the car through the back window. Crawl out through the back window. Female's crawling out. Keep crawling. Keep crawling with your hands up. Keep crawling. Crawl towards the officer to your right. To your right. Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up. Is the guy inside? Driver, keep your hands up. Now stay in the car.
Hands up, hands up.
Keep walking. Stay like that. Now. Keep walking. Follow instructions. Keep your hands up.
Shut up.
Just sit tight so I give instructions. Keep your hands up. Be quiet and keep your hands up. Let me know when you're ready for him. Let me know you're ready for him. All right, driver. Crawl out the back window with your hands up. I want to see your hands at all times. Shut up and keep crawling. Then I ran. Keep crawling. Keep crawling. Less talking, more action. Keep crawling.
Are your pants down?
Keep crawling. Follow their instructions to your right. Hands up. Jump up off the car. And follow their instructions. Follow their instructions. Keep your hands up. Hands up, hands up. Follow their instructions.
I don't know.
No more. No more.
Oh my God.
He didn't do anything, guys. He didn't do anything. I'm gonna let them clear it.
Adam 97 over 1015 for the net. Golly.
Everybody got a chance.
What?